My name is Tudor. By day, I'm a full-time software engineering manager and a dedicated family man. And by night, I'm your friendly neighborhood YouTuber. I once had a dream of creating a successful YouTube channel, and here I am living that dream. On this channel, I'm committed to helping you enhance your video content. Today, I have an exciting topic for you: the AI voiceover from Artlist. Artlist is the all-in-one platform I fully trust and use. With the release of the voiceovers feature, it has reached a new level, making it the perfect platform for YouTube. This entire video was made using only Artlist assets. You can choose the plan that you need. I prefer the Artlist Max. When you open the voiceover feature, you can experiment with a variety of styles and highly realistic voices in the voice catalog. Let's try multiple examples, and you will immediately understand the power of this tool.
In the frozen Arctic, amidst the serene beauty of sunlit ice.
I miss you, bro. Remember those summers at the basketball court?
Colors are manifestations of light, interacting with matter.
The heat. Blooming.
In my life, I've learned that success is not measured by wealth or status.
Each month, you'll get 50,000 credits. 1 credit equals 1 text character, which in total is about 1 hour of voiceover time. You can see how many credits you have left in the credits section. To find the perfect voice, use the 2 available filters: gender
In the heart of the Amazon, a lost tribe thrives.
and video
in harmony.
category. All options are high quality. But from my experience,
ready to take
it's best to
control of
explore
your
as many
financial
as you
future?
can.
Our financial behavior course teaches you the psych.
When you found a voice you like, press the select button. The chosen voice will appear at the top. Next, enter your text in this section to convert it into state-of-the-art speech. To customize your voice further, explore the voice settings. Adjust the 3 sliders for emotion, similarity, and style. There's no set formula. Experiment to find your unique sound. All set, let's press the Generate button. Your results will be available in the My Voiceovers tab, where you can listen to the voice,
Thank you, Artlist, for sponsoring this channel.
review the settings, or download the audio file. Now let's experiment with a female voice.
At our restaurant, the vibes rule and taste buds drool. Get 2 months for free using the link from description. Thank you, Artlist.
My final challenge for the voiceover is to test multiple variations to determine if the voice sounds realistically human or robotic. What do you think?
Huh? No way! Whoa! 1, this is a perfect example. 2, this is a perfect example. 3, this is a perfect example. 4, this is a perfect example. 5, is this a perfect example? Artlist.
See you in the next video.